In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable camera access to any app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Settings. Then scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Then just get into it. And that's where you need to search for camera. You will be taken to the page that looks like that, and that's where we can check which app from that list has access to our iPhone's camera. If some app does not have access, like Gmail in my case, we can easily enable access to our camera by toggling on that button. If you would like to deny for some app to get access to your camera, you can do it in the same way. Let's say I want to deny Instagram app to access to my camera. By toggling off that switcher next to Instagram, I can easily do so. Basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.